USA.
Hey, my name is Justin Gasson with Cart Mart Inc. We're a low-speed gas and electric dealer of all brands. We do Club Car, E-Z-GO, Yamaha, as well as some offshore brands. Today we're going to be converting this customer's cart from a lead-acid configuration to a Bolt, a 105 amp hour 51 volt system. And the first step here we're going to do is we're going to be removing the current lead-acid batteries.
Bolt Energy highly recommends having a trained golf car or battery technician perform all battery maintenance on your vehicle. Bolt also highly recommends using personal protective equipment during the battery installation. In addition to this tool list, you may also need small gauge wiring supplies.
Start by removing all the existing hold downs.
We're here today at Cart Mart, one of the most respected names in the golf cart industry, a company that's been leading the way since 1959. It's always great to team up with a partner that's built on integrity, craftsmanship, and decades of trust.
So this vehicle is already equipped with the DC converter. It was an aftermarket converter the customer wanted to keep on the car. So we're installing the Bolt standard kit today. With the Pro kit, you do get the DC converter and upgraded solenoid. In this case, we're gonna leave that stuff. This is a 2019 club car. They wanna leave the existing components. But for older models, you wanna buy the Pro kit because it does come with those additional accessories. What we need to do now though is remove the floor mat retainers and remove this floor mat. We're gonna get the trim off next so that we can remove the charge receptacle. And you gotta loosen the teardrop.
Cart Mart has been serving the golf and commercial vehicle world for over 60 years. They're not just a dealership, they're an institution. With locations all across the Southwest and Southeast, they've built a reputation for reliability and professionalism that few can match. They've earned their stripes as one of the largest and oldest dealerships in the world, and it shows.
Now we need to pull the floor mat up, and you'll get access.
Huge thank you to the Cart Mart crew for opening their doors to us today. These guys really set the bar for what excellence looks like in this industry.
That'll free up the kick plate. There you go. Okay. So now we need to pull this screw on this controller cover, and we're gonna pull out the receptacle.
One of the things that makes Cart Mart stand out is the incredible lineup they carry. Club Car, Yamaha, E-Z-GO, Garia, GM, Denego EV, Cushman, and more. They only partner with top-tier brands, and we're proud that Bolt Energy batteries are now powering many of these incredible machines.
Okay, all right, controller cover goes back on.
When you walk into a Cart Mart location, you know you're looking at the best of the best.
Okay, here's the new Bolt Energy charge receptacle.
Okay.
Mounting screws. It's nice, it's just a regular 110 extension cord.
So it doesn't really matter how it goes in there.
No.
Okay.
I like to install it with the ground down standard, but the holes will match up with the factory holes as well.
Okay.
Their service team is second to none. Whether it's preventative maintenance, rentals, or full rebuilds, these guys take care of their customers like family. It's rare to see a dealership that not only sells vehicles, but stands behind them with world-class service and support. Cart Mart's team knows that reliability starts after the sale, and that's exactly why we work so well together.
Great, so now we'll get the mounting brackets and we will get the battery installed. For each kit, they make a different mounting bracket for whatever vehicle you have. So with this, we got the Club Car Onward Precedent Tempo mounting bracket and kit. So this mounts to the battery, and then we'll mount to the floorboard of the car where you'll secure it there.
This collaboration is what it's all about, bringing together Bolt Energy's innovation and Cart Mart's legacy to deliver unmatched performance. Cart Mart understands quality, and that's why this partnership makes so much sense. Great people, great products, great results. We're proud to see Bolt Energy batteries powering Cart Mart's fleet, the perfect match of dependability and power.
So now we're taking the main positive from the charger, the main positive from the DC converter, and the main positive of the car and connecting those, as well as the main negatives for each one. So after installing the positive, we'll hook up the main negatives and make sure those connections are tight. Now we'll install our Bluetooth receiver. That plugs into the Bluetooth port. And that can just rest on top of the battery, just like that.
Okay.
That's what enables you to read the battery via Bluetooth to your phone.
Okay, next step.
At this time, battery install is done. Okay, so you can power on the battery with the switch. You can verify your lights and accessories work. Time for a test drive.
Big shout out to the entire Cart Mart team, and especially Justin Gassman. Thank you for your partnership, hospitality, and trust in Bolt Energy USA. We're just getting started. Together with Cart Mart, we're redefining what performance and reliability mean in this industry.
Your Bolt Energy USA battery will ship at 50% capacity or less, so it is highly recommended to run a complete charge cycle before using the battery. Simply plug in your Bolt Energy charging extension cord. The onboard charger will activate, run a complete charge cycle, and shut off when finished. We hope this video answered any questions you may have had. If you have additional questions or would like to order a Bolt Energy USA battery, please visit the dealer locator link in the description of this video. You can find links to local authorized dealers, as well as recommended online dealers. You can also contact Bolt Energy USA technical support directly, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., at the number listed below. As always, hit the like and subscribe buttons. We have more installation and product videos coming out on a regular basis.
Bolt Energy USA.